Welcome. Out most of the weekend, I am being bombarded, okay, by those who I know. Some say, shave the beard, you're going away for a week. Some say, cut the hair, you're going away for a week. Some say, don't wear this hat. Some say, wear this hat. Others say, wear this hat. Some say, you don't look good in that hat, then maybe you should put on this hat. Some say your mind is not in the game. Some say your mind is elsewhere. Everybody is saying something different. We all make suggestions. It's all about a suggestion. I only made the suggestion, well, this, why didn't you go straight? Well, I thought this way was shorter. Okay, whatever. Why are you telling me to go? I'm not telling you to go straight. I mean, I'm not telling you to stop doing anything. Just, making a suggestion. I've been looking at this page for 5 days now, and I finally remembered what the page was and what these numbers were. These numbers down the side are just telling me there's 5 numbers here, 10 numbers here, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. When we come to the 40th number, right, our prime numbers have switched. And why have our prime numbers switched? Because when I come to this area over here as the 36th, the 37th, the 38th, the 39th prime number, when added to a single digit, comes out to number 1. All ones will then get reached to number 7. So in my 4th prime number, I have 7, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14th prime number is a 7. 18th prime number is a 7. 25th prime number, did I get that right? 5, 10, 15, 20. 21st prime number is a 7, and so forth. So these are all prime numbers. So what I'm going to be doing with this next is I'm going to be connecting. I'm going to do grids of 36 numbers, okay, just 36, because after 36, according to roulette, okay, everything is now mirrored. So everything, if you want to go Fibonacci, no matter what you do, once you get to the 36th area, everything is now mirrored. But wait, once I flip over the 36th area and reconnect it to the first area, then I get a mirror of what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll get the other side of that mirror. Unless 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is mirrored, okay, in 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I will have to look at that design. But if it is not done that way, okay, if it is not done that way, okay, then what I'm going to say to you is that the first 36 numbers are mirrored, and then I'm going to do the next 18 numbers, in which the reality is I don't need 16, 17, and 18, because 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is the area that in the design, and I'm going to show you in maybe my next video, will create a cube. Okay, in fact, I'm going to have to pick up my camera, go to the other side, and show you what it is. I'm going to have to run back to this side. I have to move my couch that's on the floor. So in all actuality, the area that's added on, like an add-on to the area or an outline to an area, okay, is on 16, 17, 18. So instead of adding in 16, 17, 18, I'll add on the first 15 numbers. And one of the things, the crazy thing about the first 15 numbers is that 15, 16, 13, 14, and 15, 13 black, 14 red, 15 black, is where if I would, I'm going to have to design this for you. You see, when we begin, right, we get 1, 2, 3, and this one is red. When we get to 13, 14, and 15, this one and this one are now black. Now, I'm going to mirror this one over here and go 1, 2, 3 and flip it over 1, 2, 3. When I get to the bottom of 34, 35, 36, I'm going to flip this over and go 34, 35, 36. And then I'm going to add on. There's 18, and then over here there's another 18. They're both mirrored. and I'm going to add on 15 numbers over here, and then 15 numbers over here. The reason I don't need any more than 15 numbers is because the area of 16, 17, 18, and 19, 20, and 21, these two are red mirroring each other, these two are black mirroring each other, and these two are red mirroring each other. I think somehow my autofocus, my focus is not properly. Okay, so I'm not going to put on this. And in this area, what is actually happening here is that it creates a cube-like design. It'll end up doing this, right? You ever see the what they call the lantern, or in Jesus the Last Supper, they were looking for the chalice, right? But the Star of David is what will create that chalice-like reality. Another thing is if I put an arm here and this, I now have a cup. I don't need this. This would be you drinking the cup. So the 15th letter is O, and the 18th letter is R, and in French that is gold. If you were looking at a salmon and said you ate roe, it would be gold egg. 15th letter reverse is L, 18th letter is I, or loi de roi. King of oil, the law is king. Le roi de loi. In French, the law is king. Now I'm going to take this and see if I can set it down where my couch is and see if I can use my pointer. Just give me a second. Let me set this up over here and move my couch. It's in the way. I'm going to see if I can move the couch and see what comes out. Just give me a second over here. Okay, do you see the stick in front over here waving? Okay, I'm going to show you that this is one area of 36 numbers. Okay, this is one single area of 36 numbers. The beginning over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me see if I can do it. I'm using my feet underneath my desk. And this one over here, okay, is 1 here. Then this one over here is 3 over here. And this one in the center where it crosses the X is 5. And then this one over here is 7. And this one is 9. So when we get to the center right over here, see where this pointer right here, that is 17 and 20. So we're going to cross over all the way until we get to these cubes, right? This side over here is 16, 19. So I don't want to add in the cube. I just want to add in the tulip. So if I put the tulip at the top and another tulip at the bottom, you see the way there's a tulip here and a tulip here? Those are mirrored of each other, both pointing up. I need to do that and flip it out over pointing down. So this set area, in order to do this creation, I need a set of 36 here, right? You see it here? I need to create these two. I need a minimum of 72 to create this. So this is a minimum of 72 over here. Then I have to flip it upside down, okay? Then I flip it upside down, and we have this area over here. This is upside down to this area. And if you see all these zeros, all those zeros, right, are all 2, 4, 6, and 8. They're all even numbers. So we have just different setups. And as we connect each side, we end up, you see the stop sign? The stop sign is now connecting 36 and 36 numbers. This is the top 18. This is the middle 18. See where the cube is? There's a stop on each one. There's 3 stops, 8, 8, 8. See the 808, the division area, the empty space where the red mark comes in over here, right? This is in between two areas. This is the center. The O is exactly on board, right? Do you follow what I'm saying? So this is what I'm talking about. That, what you see there, those cubes that you see right over here, right? The total of these cubes is 111, 111. Each one is 111. You get 16 of these, I get 1776 connected. In order to do that, okay, 16 of them, I would need a total of 16. I have to get my calculator out. I would need a total of 16 area boards at 6 numbers equals, it takes up a total of 96 numbers, and 16 boards times 36 equals to a total of 576. And if we were doing it with a point involved in it, okay, if I was doing it with a point involved in it, then it would be a total of 5,760, just counting these cubes in the center. So if our life was actually going around these cubes only, and there'd be 16 of them, 16 times 111 is 1776. 16 times 36 equals 5,576. If I had 160 times, let me see what it is. 6 times 360, 360 degrees equals 2160, equaling to the moon. Okay, so we have 36 times 6 equals 216, and that 216 hours also equals, okay, to the 9-day period of 24 hours, and the 9-day period twice a month. Listen, the 9-day period twice a month, okay, is 432, which is the vibration. We must link. Okay, I'm going to take you off of this and speak to you by face. 2160 is the diameter of the moon. 3476 kilometers also represents the word gold. At the same time, in between these areas, 7 to 5, the halfway is 6. 9 to 5, the halfway is 7. 1 to 5, the halfway is 3. 3 to 5, the halfway is 4. 3476. I don't know if I get this. 3476 divided by 1.62. Well, it doesn't give me the exact answer that I was looking for, but it's the kilometers to the miles. 216 hours plus 24 is 240 hours in a 10-day period of the Mayan calendar, but it's 9 days and 1 day and 9 days and 1 day. At the same time, you can say the Mayan calendar is 20 months of 18 days or 20 days of 18 months, and I don't care what anybody says, you can work it out both ways, but it also standardizes the same numeric value for the diameter of your moon. And in matrix, we need to repeat numbers in order to know les coches, which means the gearing, okay, in any way must meet in order for time to meet from creation of whichever way the creation was made. You follow what I'm talking about? At the same time, that 6, right? That 6, see that 96, 36 numbers times, no, it was 6 numbers times 16, 96 or 960. That is 3/4 of the day. We add in 1/4. 480 and 480, the SON, also part of Pluto, 480, 480, 480, or 888, 24 hours in a day, or 480, 480, 480, 1414 minutes. 3 times 480 equals to 1440 minutes, or 480, 3 by 4 is 12, 3 by 8 is 24, the 1224 day. I don't know if you're going to understand. I don't know if I should have written this whole thing down. I got a headache. Oi, Gewalt, I got a headache. Screw my head back in. Do some more of that magic reality thinking, and you tell me if my lights are out. Raphael, coming to you from the House of Paint. Thank you for watching this video.